Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to create a Ton wallet on Telegram. The Ton wallet allows you to manage your cryptocurrency directly within the Telegram app. So the first thing you have to do is open the Telegram app on your mobile device and ensure that you're logged into your account. Now go to the search bar, which is at the top of the screen, and type wallet and select the official port from the search results. Now once you have selected the wallet bot, tap on start. Now the bot will guide you through the process of creating your wallet. Now what you have to do is click on open wallet and you will be prompted with a screen like this. Now click on let's go. You can see this is the wallet. Now you can send crypto to your wallet, or you can also buy crypto. You can receive from other wallets, and you can also use the P2P market, and you can also send dollars into your wallet. And when you click on this P2P market, you will land on screen like this. So click on get started. You can see here you can buy and sell ton here as well. But before you buy and sell the ton, first you need to verify your account. For that, click on verify account, and in order to proceed, you have to upload your national ID card to verify the account, and then you can proceed to sell and buy ton in P2P market. And if you want to receive ton from another wallet, what you can do is click on this option of more assets, and from the drop down you can choose this option of ton coin and tap on receive. Then you have to verify. By following these simple steps, you will be able to create a ton wallet on Telegram. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe the How To channel.